Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to remove these Tipex nail tips. Since my nails are long, I'm turning my finger over to avoid cutting them. This step was fast and easy. So far, so good. I'm using my efile from Saviland to remove as much product as I can. Now I'm taking my magic gel remover by Born Pretty. And I'm brushing it unlike nail polish. And now I wait. After 6 minutes, I use a cuticle pusher to remove the melted product. I didn't want to do a traditional soak-off. So fast forward an hour, and I finally got this whole hand done. This stuff is amazing, but you definitely don't want to get any on your skin. I literally loaded like 3 pounds on each nail. I legit had to take a nap before doing the next hand. The removal process wasn't as easy as the application. But maybe that's not a bad thing, since we want them to last a long time. Comment your thoughts down below. Thank you for watching.